Hello students, today we are taking the next topic and it is medicinal plants. As you know that India is also called the father of Ayurveda, and in India, in each and every region or each and every state, either it is the Himalayan mountainous states like Jammu Kashmir, Himachal, Uttarakhand, Arunachal, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Tripura, or the states may be of peninsular plateau region like Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, and also the desertic states Gujarat and Rajasthan. You can say each and every state, either these are in the mountainous region or plateau region or the deserts or the plain. Each and every state is full of many kinds of the medicinal plants, and especially the Ayurvedic medicines. So India is the father of Ayurvedas, and from the ancient time to till modern time period, Ayurveda is a good medicinal treatment, and it is also called the Ayurveda because these Ayurvedic medicines are useful for increasing the life expectancy of the people. The people can live a long life with the help of the Ayurveda. So in the medicinal plants, India have the rich diversity of these plants and categories, and many parts of these medicinal plants are using for making the medicines, and sometimes these are directly using for treatment of different diseases. Just as you know that a very small plant, not too much taller but shorter, about to height of the 1 meter, it is the tulsi, which can be found in most of the Hindus families because it is a very holy plant, and people worship this plant and take it as a god or goddess. So tulsi have many medicinal properties. Its leaves can be used for cough, cold, fever, and so many other diseases. And their roots and stems or also can be used for making the medicines for different purposes, different fevers and cold, cough, and so many other diseases of the body. So now we are taking one by one some medicinal plants which are found in India and their uses. So in this series, the first plant is Sarpagandha. It is found in India and used to treat blood pressure. सर्पगंधा पौधा जो होता है ये इंडिया में पाया जाता है बहुत सभी राज्यों में लगभग, और इसका इस्तेमाल जो होता है वो ब्लड प्रेशर के जो मरीज हैं उनको उनकी बीमारी को, ब्लड प्रेशर को कम करने के लिए, जिनका ब्लड प्रेशर हाई होता है तो ये उसको कम कर देता है, मेंटेन कर देता है। कुल मिलाकर के ब्लड प्रेशर के लेवल को मेंटेन रखने के लिए सर्पगंधा का इस्तेमाल होता है। नेक्स्ट इज जामुन। इट जूस यूज टू prepare the vinegar, which is carminative and digestive as the digestive properties. Powder of seed used for controlling the diabetes. जामुन का नाम आपने सुना होगा। जामुन जो नीले नीले कलर के होते हैं, जामुनी कलर ही होता है उनको बोला जाता है। तो ये पके हुए जामुन, इनसे विनेगर बनाया जा सकता है, सिरका जिसको बोलते हैं, और उस फॉर्म में इसको अचार के फॉर्म में यूज़ कर सकते हैं हम लोग। और इसका जो नेचर होता है वो डाइजेस्टिव होता है। ये डाइजेशन के लिए, पेट की बीमारियों के लिए बहुत फ़ायदेमंद होता है जामुन। और जिन लोगों को डायबिटीज़ है, डायबिटीज़ को कंट्रोल करने के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा उपयोगी है। नेक्स्ट इज़ अर्जुन। जूस ऑफ लीव्स इज़ ए क्योर फॉर earache, used to regular for controlling the blood pressure and other diseases. अर्जुन एक पेड़ होता है, इसकी पत्तियाँ, इसकी टहनियाँ और इसके जितने भी पार्ट हैं, जड़ों से लेकर के पत्ती टहनी तक, सबका इस्तेमाल बहुत सारी मेडिसिन्स बनाने में, खास करके जो दर्द निवारक हैं, जो अगर कहीं पर एक हो रहा है, कानों में दर्द है या बॉडी के किसी पार्ट में दर्द है तो उसके लिए इसका इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। नेक्स्ट इज़ बबूल। लीव्स आर यूज्ड फॉर एज ए क्योर फॉर सोर्स। इट्स गम इज़ यूज्ड फॉर प्रिवेंटिंग मैनी डिजीजेस। बबूल का भी नाम आपने सुना होगा। इसकी पत्तियों से लेकर इसकी एक गोंद निकलता है, उसका इस्तेमाल भी मेडिसिन बनाने में और बहुत सी बीमारियों को ठीक करने में किया जाता है। नीम, you already know that neem is a very famous and popular Ayurvedic medicine and Ayurvedic plant. It has high antibiotic and antibacterial properties, so it can be used for killing the germs, bacteria in the cloths or in our body, and many types of medicines are made by the using of neem and its neem leaves and its fruits. Tulsi plant, I have already told you, it is used to cure cough and cold. And next is Kachnar. It is a flowering plant and used to cure the asthma and ulcers. So students, this was the information about the medicinal plants, and there are a large variety of the medicinal plants in India. As you are looking nowadays, there's the medicines, Ayurvedic medicines made by Patanjali Ayurved, which is run by Acharya Balakrishna and Baba Ramdev. So these medicines are continuously used by a large mass of the India and also a large mass of the world. And you have listened many special treatments and special kind of Ayurvedic medicines, like medicines made by the aloe vera. Aloe vera is a very famous plant, and it is using for making the many medicines, and it is especially popularized after telling the different uses by Baba Ramdev. So continue reading and prepare the notes and send them to the adjutant saps. Thank you.